A deadly explosion rocked the city of Quetta in Pakistan's Balochistan province, killing at least 10 and injuring dozens. Authorities confirmed the attack was aimed at security forces. Pakistan Health Minister Bakht Mohammad Kakar reported that 10 people died and 26 others were wounded in the blast. 2 security personnel were among the fatalities, while 5 of the injured remained in critical condition. The blast resulted in a widespread damage. Glass shattered, rubble across the area, and locals joining security and army personnel in clearing the debris. Eyewitnesses described the moments of chaos as the blast was followed by gunfire.
मैं ऑफिस के अंदर बैठा था, अचानक आवाज आई। उसके बाद शीशे नीचे सारे सर हम लोग के ऊपर गिर गए। फिर छुपने की जगह ही नहीं थी। वहाँ भागते थे, यहाँ भागते थे, फिर टेबल के नीचे हम लोग छुप गए। वहीं पे भी ये जो फायरिंग की आवाजें भी आ रही थी, एकदम जो शीशे टूट गए सर, वो शीशे हम लोग के ऊपर गिरे। जो भी थे दरवाजे मरवाजे सारे टूट गए सर, कंधे पे लग गए सर।
Pakistan President Asif Ali Zardari and Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif condemned the attack in the strongest terms.